It's another in-progress installation from Frank's Hardscapes, using 24 by 24 porcelain from Hardscape.com. People had Chattahoochee down here. They were tired of the maintenance, tired of it getting dirty, tired of it getting mildewy and slippery when it was wet. So they decided to go with the porcelain, which does not stain. Stains do not penetrate, slip resistant, virtually maintenance free. So it was kind of a no-brainer. You can see we did a huge sports court area. Guys are finishing up the pool deck. We faced the whole pool with the porcelain, keep everything consistent. Whole covered patio area. Again, this is an in progress. See, we're doing the steps. And when we're done with the back, sorry about the noise. We're gonna knock out this walkway, and then we're also tearing up their driveway and putting porcelain on the driveway as well. Again, people are doing porcelain pretty much because it's maintenance free, slip resistant, stays cooler than any other material, does not stain. So if you want to beautify your house, put porcelain down, get it from Hardscape.com, and we're installing it. Frank's Hardscapes. You can reach me at 954-652-9391.